Welcome to Gen AI Elements YouTube channel. For this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to run Automatic1111 in Google Colab. Are you ready to generate your first image using AI? While Google Colab has a free tier, to run the Automatic1111 notebook you will need the Pro plan. Log into your Google account and go to colab.google. Click on Open Colab. Click on Cancel to close the pop-up. Then click on the little arrow next to Connect and View Resources. Click on Upgrade to Colab Pro. Here you can see the different plans available. You can either subscribe to monthly plan or just pay as you go. I recommend the pay as you go to start. 100 compute units is enough to run Automatic1111 for 10 hours or more depending on your usage. Complete your purchase on your ready to use it right away. Let's open now the Automatic1111 notebook. Click on the link in the description or Google the last Ben Automatic1111. Scroll down and click on the image below Colab Pro Automatic1111. It will open the notebook in Google Colab. Click on File and save a copy in Drive. It opens in a new tab. You can close the first tab. Let's configure it now. First you need to choose the Stable Diffusion model to use. The default models are not really good, so I recommend to download a new one. Go to civitai.com and search for Absolute Reality in the search bar. Click on the model in the drop-down list. You can check the samples images generated with this model. Expand the One File section, right-click on Download button and copy the link URL. Go back to the Automatic1111 notebook and paste the URL in Model Link parameter. Scroll down to the last section of the notebook. Tick the box Use Cloudflare Tunnel, then specify a user and password which you will use to log in to Automatic1111. Click on Runtime menu and run all. You can see in the top right section that it's now connecting. It's asking permissions to connect to Google Drive. Google Drive is used to store all the files used by Automatic1111. Click on Allow. Colab is going to execute each cell of the notebook one by one. It takes a couple of minutes to run them all. Scroll to the bottom and wait for the last cell to run. After 30 seconds or so, you will see a URL in the output. You might have to scroll to the right to see it. Click on this link to open Automatic1111. Enter the user and password you configured earlier. You can see at the top the Absolute Reality model we installed. By default we're in the Text to Image tab used to generate images from a text description. Let's enter the description of the image we want to generate. You can use the prompt of the example images on Civitai website to start. I'll cover prompt creation in more details in another video. We also need a negative prompt for better quality. I'm using here the Bad Dream embedding. You can download it from Civitai website. I'll cover in another video embeddings in more details. Choose a sampler, DPM++ 2M Keras typically gives good result. Specify a sampling steps between 20 and 30. For models based on Stable Diffusion 1.5 like Absolute Reality, you can use 512 by 512, 512 by 768 or 768 by 512. Change batch size to 2 to generate 2 images. Click now on Generate button. After 30 seconds or so, you will see the generated images on the right of the screen. Click on each thumbnail to display the image. Underneath, click on the disk icon then the file size to download it. Painting icon is used to send it to image tab to resize it. Click on the painting palette icon to send it to Inpainting tab. All settings have been copied over from text to image tab. For this example, I'm going to inpaint a heart tattoo, so I change the prompt accordingly. I'm now brushing the part of the image where I want to add the tattoo. I change masked content setting to fill, and in paint area to only masked. I specify 20 for sampling steps. Batch size to 2 to generate 2 images. Denoising strength to 0.5. Now let's click on Generate to start the inpainting. After 30 seconds or so, we can see the generated images. I pick the one that I prefer and click on the painting icon to send it to image tab to upscale it. Here I'm choosing to resize by and specify 3 to make it 3 times bigger, to 1536 by 1536. I change denoising strength to 0.1 to not alter the image much. I click on Generate to start the upscaling. After 30 seconds or so, we have the upscaled images on the right. Again, we can send image to other tabs or click on the disk icon to download it. Congrats! You now know how to generate images with Automatic1111 in Paint and upscale it. I offer a guide and tools to help you creating AI influencers on my Gumroad page. The guide covers all the aspects, how to install and use Automatic1111 with step-by-step instructions, how to optimize your social media, and how to monetize your AI influencer. Check the link in the description below. Like and subscribe to receive notification for my next videos.